You've seen China's big cities, but this looks like something out of a movie. Welcome to Yuyuan Gardens and happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Tonight, my friends and I took a step back in time to a scene filled with vibrant lights, colorful lanterns, traditions, and festivities. This celebration was unlike anything I've ever seen and one I highly recommend. Here's a look back on an unforgettable evening of pure magic in Shanghai, China. I'm back at Yu Garden. I'm here with my friend Nina and a couple of our friends who are in front of us. We're going to celebrate the Mid-Autumn Festival at the Yu Gardens, and it's going to be gorgeous. Woo! The Mid-Autumn Festival is one of China's most cherished holidays. It's a time when friends and families come together to celebrate the full moon, which is a symbol of reunion and harmony, and we could feel the magic in the air as we made our way to the gardens. The energy of the night was so joyful and everyone was celebrating together. We met these beautiful girls dressed in traditional Hanfu, and when we asked to take a photo, they were so kind and even let us hold one of their delicate decorations. It felt like such a sweet moment of connection.
Alright, everyone wave! Be seen!
The night had just begun and we were already making the sweetest memories. Vibrant lights and beautiful lanterns lit the streets, and the energy was incredible. We were already having the best time and the night was just beginning.
So pretty! Oh my god!
As we made our way to the center of the area, we realized how many people were here tonight. But instead of feeling overcrowded, it just felt electric. The energy was so great and it was so special to come celebrate together. We slowly made our way across the bridge while taking in the beauty of the tea house in the center, which is one of the oldest in Shanghai.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
Then we peeked over the edge to take a beautiful look at the koi fish swimming beneath the lights.
They're like little puppies.
They are little puppies! That is literally the size of a puppy.
Should we go? I feel like they have good snacks in the area.
Snacks? Anybody? Yes. Alright. Wow, they're gorgeous. They look very pretty.
Anything?
Okay. 你要什么？你好，2个这个。2个。过来啊，你。谢谢。谢谢。好嘞。Cheers. I'm sorry. Gambay. You wanna try it? Should I like bite it in half? Yeah, you can bite it in half or take it out full. Guanmei. Oh, that's so good. Really sweet. I want to know what these are called. It's a traditional Chinese snack. That's good. Something.
Fried dough with chives in it.
You go on one side, I'll go on the other side.
Next, it was time to try a mooncake, which is a traditional treat for the festival. These pastries represent completeness and happiness and can be shared with friends and family.
Oh, Nick! How do you say happy festival? Oh, yeah.
5 characters, 2 words.
Okay.
First word.
First word.
中秋节.
中秋节.
Yep.
秋.
Q-I-U. 秋. 中秋节.
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 In the film. 中秋节.
中秋节快乐.
快乐. 中秋节快乐. Wait, one more time. 中秋节快乐.
中秋节.
中秋节快乐.
中秋节快乐.
中秋节快乐. 中秋节快乐. 中秋节快乐. 中秋节快乐. 中秋节快乐. 中秋节快乐. Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Cheers. Sorry, we did it. No, that was good. That's so. We actually did say that really, really well.
After our mooncake tasting, we made our way through the streets of the Yuyuan Bazaar to look at the many beautiful stores and take in all the energy of the festival. All of the lights and little details were so stunning. It felt like we stepped right into a living storybook, and we had the best time along the way. This night held so much beauty and instantly became a special memory of my time in Shanghai. I'm so grateful that I could celebrate this festival under the full moon with such sweet friends. Living in Shanghai has given me so many little moments of wonder, and it's a city that constantly surprises me. One moment I'm surrounded by towering skyscrapers, and the next I'm lighting incense at Jing'an Temple or wandering through a maze of shops in the French concession. There's always something beautiful to discover around every corner here. While Yew Gardens might not be a hidden gem, it's definitely something that I would consider adding to your list if you're visiting China. If you'd like to see more of my adventures, check out the videos I've made in China linked in the description below, and subscribe for the journey. I'm on a mission to uncover all the hidden gems in every corner of the world, and this is just the beginning.
We're just about to head home. We went and saw all the festivities around here at the Yew Garden shopping area for the Mid-Autumn Festival, and it was a lovely time. We tried some mooncake, we saw the lights, some strawberries. They were delicious. Wamei. So thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it and subscribe if you want to, and see you next time. Bye!